Okay, guys, welcome to the Peep Show. We are Wednesday, the 18th of March 2020. Sylvain Logan Adam with you today. The topic of our focus of our Peep Show today is will the Trump administration give $1,000 to every US citizens? This is the discussion that many people have. As you may know, the majority of American citizens do not have more than $500 on their account to survive, with the potential full lockdown in the United States. How will the majority of American people survive without working, without having the possibility to create income and create values in order to get money? The Trump administration is basically considering giving directly people $1,000, and is also preparing a stimulus package of 1.2 trillions of dollars. So that's a rescue package that is almost twice the rescue package that we've seen in 2008. In 2008, to bail out the banks, 700 billions of dollars were just like mobilized. How to say that? Were raised. Okay. This time it's 1.2 trillion, so basically almost the double of the amount of 2008. The value of the money is also less. I would say the value of the money in 2008 was greater. So if you adjust it to the inflation, it's not also that bad. But yeah, the amount, the nominal amount is bigger. You have to put that into perspective also. Giving money directly to people in order to help them to survive is a good thing. This is something that will need money, and the government has definitely has to take money into their budget to do it. They will also offer delay on tax payment. Payroll taxes will also be delayed. The rent are also postponed, so people will have the possibility of paying their rent later. So that's all the measures being set up by the government, by the U.S. government to support the economy. Financial markets right now are just stabilizing it themselves. This is the chart of the S&P 500. So the stocks right now are just stabilizing around those levels. So there is three lines that I just put in the chart. So the first line is the first cut. Basically, the market will freeze at 7%. So this is the circuit breaker. The first limit at minus 7% is at 2,352 points. The second one is at 2,200 points. And the last one is at 2,023 points, which is equal to minus 20% on the market. So basically, those are the levels that we have to monitor for today. The market is rebounding at the beginning of the trading session, but the overall trend is basically bearish. So we don't have to basically ask ourselves too much question. The trend is bearish. There will be some wild, I would say, upside move, but for now I will not really speculate a lot. I will just let the market do whatever it has to do. There is a nice stabilization here. People wants to buy. So this is for the American market, but for the European market this time you have to notice one thing, and one thing that is important. For example, on the CAC 40, which is the French index, short selling is not allowed anymore for 30 days. So basically you have a lot of values on the CAC 40 that you can't short anymore. You can sell if you own the share, but you can borrow the share to sell them in order to speculate. So that's one thing that you can do anymore. So 30 days before, there is a 30 days time frame where you can't borrow shares to sell it on the European market. So basically CAC 40, IBEX, etc. The MIB also. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask your question on the We Love Arya World Facebook group, but also on the comment section on YouTube. We see each other Sunday for the last peep show of the week, and I wish you a lot of luck. Just keep in mind that at least on the European market, because you can't short anymore some values, there is less selling pressures that are going on. Okay, the market can still the market can still go down and be bearish, but not as I will say not as aggressive as we saw during the last trading session. Okay, so there may be the probabilities for a rebound just go higher, just because of this measure. We see each other. See you Sunday for the last peep show of the week.